This is Kat Steffens with Kat's Trunk, and today we're going to do a tutorial on the half square knot and what it does for you when you're doing the left side or the right side. So for the left side square knot, you're just going to be, for the left side half square knot, you're going to take your left cord underneath your center cords, over the top of your right cord over the top of your center cords, and down through the loop created on the left side. And you're going to pull it up to the top, and you're just going to continue to repeat. Your now left cord, which used to be your right cord, you're going to go under your center cords, over the top of your right cord. Your right cord is going to go over the top of the center cords and down through the loop on the left side. And you're going to pull that up. And again, your now new left cord goes under your center cords, over the top of your right cord. Your right cord goes over the top of the center cords, down the loop on the left side, and you pull it up. And as you repeat this, you notice it starts making a twist. So when you're doing the left side half square knot, you're going to get a left-handed twist. And as you continue, you will see that the twist becomes more and more pronounced. And after you get to a certain point, it's okay to let your twist go complete and rearrange your cords so you can continue to work the left side. And even though you've flipped this around and continue to do from the left, it continues its left-handed twist, which is pretty cool that you can actually control the direction of your twist based on the side of the square knot that you're doing. Now when you do the right-handed twist, you're going to do the opposite of what you did with the left. You start with the right cord, you go under the center cords, over the top of the left cord comes up over the top of your centers and down the loop on the right. So you're just doing the opposite of what you did on the left side, and you continue to do this, working from the right side. Your right cord goes under your center cords, creating a loop on the right, over the top of your left cord, which then you pull over the top of your center cords and down the loop on the right side. And you pull it up to the top, and then you continue to repeat. It would help if I repeated from the right. Okay, so the right cord you create your loop by going under your center cords, over the top of your left cord. Your left cord then goes over the top of the center cords and down the loop you've created on the right. And again, you pull it up tight, and you'll notice that this is starting to make its twist to the right. So again, you continue to work your cords, going on the right half of your half square knot. So the right cord creates the loop, goes under the center cords, over the top of the left cord then comes over the top and down your loop. Your cords are continuously changing their orientation. Your right cord becomes your left cord becomes the right cord. And at a certain point, when your twist continues to move, it's okay to reorient your cords and then start again from the new position. And it will continue to make your right hand twist for the half square knot. So this is how you control which direction your half square knot will twist, whether you work it from the right or the left side. I hope this was helpful, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.